Hi, I'm Meg Glasgow, and this is a quick guide to digital marketing for frame shops. This is the third video in a three-part series. First, we tackled where to be on social media, what to say, and now we're going to focus on how to turn those fans and followers into actual customers walking in your door. So you can have 1 million followers, right? It doesn't make any difference if they're not coming into your shop and buying more framing. And so what I want to focus on now is how do we create a strong offer, number one, and a compelling call to action to get those fans off their phones and into your business. So in terms of creating an offer, it's often called a lead magnet. Now, this is something that you give away for free in exchange for something. So it could be contact information, email address, or them actually physically walking into your store. Any of these work. So think about what your customers really want and think of something that would be of tremendous value to them. And if you don't know off the top of your head, I've got a few ideas here for you to get started. You can offer a free design consultation or a product upgrade. For example, you can upgrade them to museum glass as a sedative to come into your shop. Give away something free, a glass cleaning kit maybe. How about a printable guide to hanging art? They could click to your website and print out instructions on how to hang artwork. How about a planner for a template on how to install a gallery wall? That's a good idea. Broken glass replacement. I've seen other shops do this. Offer free broken glass replacement to get new people into your shop. So there's lots of ideas that you can do and offer besides a discount. So I encourage you to just really be creative. So the second part of this is call to action. So this is what you want your customers to do and how you want them to respond to your social post. So for anyone to want to exchange information with you, provide an email address, for example, whatever your offer is must be very clear and very concise and compelling. It's got to be something that they really care about. Now, if you are using Facebook Ads Manager to create these posts, Facebook makes it really easy. They load it with buttons with call to actions already built in, which is wonderful, wonderful tool to use. So the one I probably use the most is Learn More. And that, when a person clicks on that, it takes them to maybe a landing page on my website or my blog that explains about an upcoming show, for example, or whatever it is. I just find that customers many times want more information before they make a purchase. So Learn More is probably the one I use the most. Shop Now is really powerful if you have gone online with some of your offerings. So that can link to a sales platform. It can go to Facebook Marketplace if you're selling on there. So Shop Now is a powerful tool. Book Now is great for scheduling. Contact Us is great for consumers with questions. They can direct message you or send you an email. And I'm finding I'm using that more and more as my customers are turning to social media to communicate with my business. And so that's a great tool. Click here. Again, it can take you to a page to your website where you have a fillable form to capture somebody's email address to claim their free gift or whatever it is you're offering them. And then you've got their email address and you can send them whatever it is your offer. So those are just some few ideas to kind of get you going. So one thing's important, consistency I think is key on all social media, like having a regular posting schedule, making sure that you're really delivering tremendous value to your customers in a really sincere and heartfelt way. And paying attention to your analytics, right? That's the one thing I like most probably about social media is the powerful tools they provide in analytics and insights. So watch what's working, test certain things out, and then you can figure out what's not working very quickly and cheaply if you're investing money in these ads and whatnot. So if you have any other questions about how to create a social media calendar schedule, I've created one in my new book, Recharge Your Business. It's created specially for framers like you. You can find that at megglasgow.com. And if you like what Tru Vue is doing, please follow Tru Vue Supports. There is always great information and tools and tricks that'll help you in your business. So thanks for watching today. I look forward to seeing you soon.